Good morning, guys. I wanted to come up with a video today showing how easy it is to swap the dies and the follower on a Model 54 JD2 bender. Super easy. I've got my 1 3/4 die on the machine right now, and I'm going to switch it over to a 3/4 inch die to bend up a project for a client real quick. So anyways, I just wanted to show you how it is. Awesome bender. If you're questioning or wondering if you ought to buy it, highly recommended. Great customer service. Those guys are awesome. So anyways, here we go. All right, so I sped that up in an effort not to bore you too much. So the only thing that you have left to do here is, once you get your material in the die, you'll want to readjust this pin relative, there's a bunch of pre-drilled holes here. And it basically, I think they recommend, JD2 recommends that it sticks out the bottom of the die about 1/4 inch. That's where I usually set it. So, depending on which die and material you're using, this will change. And so that's what I'll do right now, real quick. All right, so you can see there, well, I don't know if you can see there. Actually, the sun is in the way, but you can see that the pin sticks out about 1/4 inch from the bottom of the clamp there. So that's about right. All right, so here we are. We're basically about done here. Just to give you an idea, I'm maybe 2.5, 3 minutes into this whole process, so it's pretty quick. The only thing we have to do now is to reset the follower to our predetermined set points that I'll show you in the video. But I've already had this die in my bender and adjusted it, and so there's a sort of laser engraved or some sort of engraved ruler, on this bender bed here, and so I'll just set it back where I had it the last time that this die was in my machine. So just to give you an idea, this whole process, like I said, it only took maybe about 3 minutes total. You could probably do it a little bit faster, but for the sake of this tutorial or whatever, it only took about 3 minutes. So, and then you're bending again. So anyways, hope this was helpful. You guys send me a message if you have any questions or want to talk a little bit about the bender and my experiences with it. So anyways, have a good day.